Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. This is Leanne from Resin Creations. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I will show you how I made white and blue epoxy resin coasters. And here I'm starting to show you what colors and what center I will be using today. So I have premixed my resin here, and now I will divide it in pots and I will add my pigments. So this time I decided that I will add some resin to my silver flakes instead of just sprinkling them in the end on top. And the reason is because they are quite hard to manage. Sometimes some things happen that you don't plan. So to avoid these little issues, I will go this way. And here I poured my resin into cups. So in one will go some white paste. And mix it really well. Because paste usually can leave some streak marks, and you really want to mix well to avoid them. And in the second I will add my dark blue pigment. And mix it really well as well. So if you are enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate if you clicked a like, and if you enjoy videos about resin in general, consider to subscribe. Thank you. And now you see me applying some hot air to my molds, and this is in hopes to prevent forming bubbles when pouring resin. It is still quite chilly here in the south of England, and my studio as well has no heating, so yeah, it can be quite cold. And of course, resin can be sensitive to cold, so we learn quite a lot as we go along what works and what doesn't. So I will put some music in background for now and stop blubbering on about things so you can enjoy this pour, and I will come back shortly. Right, I'm back and here you can see me adding the centers at the end. And I really enjoyed this pour and I have high hopes on these coasters at the moment. So here I'm popping bubbles, getting rid of all the pesky little bubbles. And this is the next day, and as you can see, the resin pulled and had the movement very good. I was very surprised about that because I always struggle. I think because in my studio, as I mentioned before, it's quite cold. So, but not this time. And look at that. I think they came out stunning. I am really happy how the white remained on the edges and the blue like background. I'm really happy. And this is another one. Yes, I just noticed there are quite a lot of holes on the bottom of these coasters, so on the top side, and definitely I will need to top coat them. And the last one, fabulous. So now I will apply silver edges, of course, and I will show you how they look. And here they are, all finished. I didn't have time to top coat, but I will do it in future before putting them on Etsy. I am really happy how they look. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.